You can't done blood clot me. Look into my eyes and tell me what you see. What the blood clots do you? What the bumper pussy blood clots do you? What the ras bumper blood clots do you? You have career? You won't listen to blood clot. You have to say you're a tramp. Waste man. You're a waste man. You're a 3/4 girl. Half of the quarter, the next quarter blood clot animal. And maybe 2/3 of blood clot man. You know what you is? What are you? The questions still remain. What the fuck are you? Who are you? Who the fuck are you? Where do you come from? Where the fuck do you come from? Fuck that. You can't done me. You can't do nothing with me upon this land for 55 blood clot. You hear that, boy? You're a fool? Your name is fool or your name is blood clot, idiot? You want to come to my school cause me rule. You hear that? I'm me ruling a me school. Me and a blood clot mule. Or the bomber hole there. Can't say a beautiful blood clot woman like me. Have you got a mother? You born out of your father body hole. That's why you chat fat. We can't hear you and smell you. Cause you born out of your poopa body hole. Yeah, you steal blood clot cussing when you cuss every blood clot body. Say, come cuss me. Come make we have blood clot cuss testing. You get up and you cuss the same set of blood clotting every day. Me say, you born out of your poopa body hole. And if you take your poopa cocky and stuff up in your blood clot, cock your mouth with your poopa cocky because him take your maiden. And him make you unvirgin. Go suck out your big stinking mama. That's all I get up tell people. And dirty girl, this, that. Come cuss me. Brave! You fucking coward. You can't chat to me. You know, see me take on the whole blood clot world. I don't care. I'm not bothered. I am the queen. The queen reign. You can't chat to me. You know you're powerful, my voice is. I speak with authority. Because I've got authority. You care about that bumblewell mama, man. Miss Liza. Mama blood clot, man. I listen to the sound of the wind going on my window. Praying for a gentleman to bring a new man to me. Young, old, are peeling blood clot skin. Me nah borrow your cocky. Fi know where me fi take. Move your blood clot. If my pussy say quick quack, quack quick, quick quack, quack quick, I'm a blood clot pussy. You can't justify what fi go in there. Who you man? You can't justify. You always share upon them a blood clot pussy too. Me love young boy. You love blood clot body wash. You love cocky for cock up in your blood clot mouth and you can't stifle down in your throat like one cock. You know what you love? Is a problem to you for me love young boy? I alone want young blood clots boy. Me not competition with you for young boy. That's why I say for make me your blood clot strip. Make me your strip blood clot teeth. Call when the blood clot young boy them want to them not go blood clot till because some of them are under blood clot underscore the blood clot and a muck. Move on a dirty blood clot under blush. Where? You see me? Me's a bad blood clot girl. I'm tired for telling her. Me, Nah, sell my soul for no blood clot gold. I rather die old. Me no want none of blood clot. I don't feel like son. I can't take me for no blood clot. Remember, my flooring is not your blood clot ceiling. You see my piece of ratatassel with me, now. You see my ratatassel where God help me with me in. I'm comfortable in. My flooring is not your ceiling. You now walk pan blood clot, my brother. Me done you now walk pan me. Don't do it. It's not nice. It's rude. You hear that? Understand your blood clot self. Face me. Don't go make scream record for win. You're a coward. You run for one big old great one blood clot great pussy woman. We breed out, fuck out, done out when no blood clot body no want. I think you want me. Are you tumble along pan? I'm here your last blood clot chance. Me think I just say go. Me, are your last chance. Oh no, go on to bed.
No. While he's sleeping, so I don't want to disturb him.
Yeah, but you disturb me. I am being rude, so I can't be in here.
Are you alive?
Yeah, baby.
No, I'm not.
Well, I've been here all along. You didn't want to stay, so now that I'm alive, you can't come, because Grandma is being really naughty.
Well, you got to finish.
Just go on with this guy. Go on, baby.
Sleep.
Thank you.
I'm tired. I'm fighting.
Yeah, him for go sleep now too.
I want to sleep in your room.
Why go and leave me alone? Somebody just said them love me. See, I see somebody say love you, Queenie. I love you too. Who you? Done who? Blamdem can't done me. Blamdem can't cuss. Blamdem chat shit. Blamdem is a old fart. A beer blood clot winner smell and you can't see him. Blamdem can't done me. I don't need that. The things that you not fucking take for credibility is beyond the fucking joke. Blamdem can't done me. You ever see Blamdem pan sting with Amari yet? May I ask you? You ever see Blamdem in a picture with Nicki Minaj yet? Have you ever see Blamdem and Nicki Minaj in a picture? You never see Blamdem a blood clot fans? You never see Blamdem a dream weekend? You never see Blamdem? I want to you Blamdem. I'm about Blamdem done. Who can done me? Nobody can done the queen. I may set this. When I run down tap some blood clot roses and lion and something. Me not run down shit. Me always a run. When I run down blood clots me. And I eat that. You see me look like me beggy too, no? I'm me dead to blood clot with white squall a drape me and a box blood clot me and a kick me down. Me still there to blood clot all a cussing off blood clot love heart. All when more I say 10 lion. I love heart near cussing off her. Don't try it. When you take down. Me look like TikTok too, no? I am a celebrity in real life. Me not just famous. Me a superstar. Me stamp up the world for the good, the bad, the ugly, the awful, the indecent, the mankind, the unkind, the all blood clot kind. You hear that? Me can't steal. My all purpose. I am a purpose. I me serve many purposes. Me have many multiple talent. Done who? Una bagaboo? Donkey must put you down at Harborview 1960 blood clot too. Done who? Tell him come down me now. Done who? Sometimes I hate when I don't chat shit to some man. I just be even a little dirty blood clot self. You hear me? When I not see big up, I come talk about. You have the fucking cheek. So what you say? Do it this me. So you can't just get up and diss me and then I endorse it so you diss me. You can't do it diss me. Do it entitled for diss me. Me and do whenever blood clot go to the pastor. And all when him not remember me and I hide from me and eat blood clot me, I remember him. And there's a difference with me. I live for the moments. And I appreciate the memories. Some can't blood clot break. You hear me? I appreciate the moments. Me live for the moments. You see the memories? I appreciate them. Same like how I have a last child. I appreciate every moment. I know some I forget the fuck on with life. With her or without her. So with all due respect, let's reason on a level of intelligence. How dare you? Fair go say, if the man never have no respect, I give the world respect. I'm never married to the world. So whatever when I share with the world, with my ex-husband, I do that off of my true authentic self. You can't come tell me, say, because me do that, you can't come diss me. God, this your blood clot Batman father. Your child molesting father. We molest blood clot you. Him. You forgot this. Not me. I never bring no disrespect to you. And if you up on a life with Nicki Minaj, and she talk to be the man daughter, and you cut her for diss me, and then go back go hype. You sure I say I'm bigger than blood clot you. Me a reason, no? Me say we are reason intelligent, you know. You're there with a woman who get 7 platinum, them say she the only woman. Rap artist. She the rap queen, and Nicki Minaj that. And she give fair qualified time. Make me a reason. Are your dad's that, you know? Right? Respect you. And she talk to DJ on a positive level. And you find time for accept me. For tell me. For go suck up my big thinking mama I'ma suck wood. But you suck your father cocky first. You suck your daddy cocky blood clot first. Wonder how you still have voice. You understand? Pick the beam out of your eyes before you pick it out of others. So when you want me to sit and say, oh, true, and Nicki and him depend there. And all if Nicki did take up for me, I don't hear one shit. You hear me say? All is Nicki. Yesterday the woman say, why you do that to quick? I don't hear one mama blood clot. The way you throw me off of the life, I think me still up on the life because I cuss out your dirty nasty blood clot. I never know say you not hear me. That burn me more than any blood clot thing else. So whatever she said, I did not hear it. I'm glad me never blood clot hear it. You hear me? Let me tell you the difference with me and you. Me's a woman of my word. My word is my bond. I see if me say something pertaining to me, may I maintain it for the sake of God. For the good, the bad, or the ugly, may I stand up in it. You see, any decision I make in a life, I cope with it. Whether I come out good or bad. You can't cuss me about my marriage. And me come tell the world about my marriage. I embrace my marriage. Me turn up for blood clot. Me turn up like one big stiff cocky man. I mean, I have no blood clot. You know when cocky the pan 3 stiff? When the cocky stand up and it the pan 3 blood clot stiff, I saw me stand up in my marriage from my marriage. I tried. No shame then I'm again, brother. Me trying. You know, see me and them turn up rubbish pan, brother. Don't do it. Don't fucking dare think you can undermine me. And nobody know you. Nobody know you. My belly cut out last year, February 1 year now. And the whole blood clot world mourn with me. God bless the few whenever I want mourn. Excuse me. So me ask you, what foundation you set? You know much little pitney. From the England 20 odd years. When me had the children are the future, I'm glad it's a God. 20 years ago, 25 years ago. I empower them as kids. And they are growing adults now. Their mother and them grandmother, I want to blame them. Blame them, me are all coot. Me a super duper blood clot giant. Me no need no blood clots body. Me need myself. If somebody wants to stand by me, yes, me will want it. And me will get excited. But me not build up my blood clot hopes. That's me can't bullet down back. You hear me? You see anything me not dig blood clot for? Me know if you dig out here amount of blood clot ground. Me know if you climb coconut tree. Me know if you get hood and make coal skill. Me know if you use plastic and take one matches and light it and catch a blazing fire. Me know if you carry water upon my head. Don't blood clot test me. You can't test me no time. It's when you say big woman, foundation, trendsetter. Just wish well. I hope you live to reach this far. That me have to tell you. Hope. You saw the way world I run. Be honored to be the age you are and hope to see many, many more. Because age is an honor. You can't test me. All if Nicki buy you 10 blood clots Cadillac and 50 blood clot mansion and 69 blood clot million submarine. You see this? You see my natural energy. My natural energy for all these years. That's my value and my worth. Me is a household name for the good, the bad, the indecent. I'ma stand firm. Me rain. Me kick up rumpus. You saw donkey kick blood clot. Me saw now the donkey song with the destiny. I do not even know nothing about donkey. You go near the donkey can kick you, kill your blood clot. That's something real up like a blood clot reeling donkey. You know, you hear me say, tell you say, me take play, you think you can mock me? Listen to the blood clot song when me do for Nicki Minaj. Me never ask her for no collab. Me do a song for her. You want to feel like Nicki? So if she never blood clot look for me and talk to me and vex, I don't fucking care. Me have what me want in my heart. And me can't force nobody. Me be myself. And there's levels and line in life. I am a very respectable person. Very patient, very wise, very smart. You see, from my heart start blood clot leap and my eye get watery. A war! Just know the difference. You hear that? I would them bumper all have flag my fire now. I'm tired of them, I say. Life has been flag harassment. Then I who me harass. TikTok. I'm going to start about the live, yeah?